Hey there, welcome to another tutorial from CurateIt. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can clip web content using CurateIt. So let's get started. Now, we all know how much content there really is on the internet. It's actually overflowing with so much information out there every day that gets created, curated, and uploaded on the web. So, how do you ensure that you clip all the content that's key to you and save it so that you can access them later and even share it with your friends and colleagues? So, all you need to do is first download the curated extension and sign up on the platform. Once you've done that, it should be added as an extension when you're browsing content on the internet using Chrome. Once that's done, you'll see that whenever you are reading about any type of content, any article on the web, you will always have the curated extension on Chrome, just like you can see it on my screen out here. Now, let me show you one of the several ways in which you can clip content uh, on the web using curated. Now, for instance, if I want to save and get access to a specific location of a content piece that I find on the internet, all I need to do is just select this. And here, as soon as you select that text that you want to know and save it for later, you can highlight that in green. You can even save that as a collection. In this instance, I am talking about Nebraska, US, and I'm going to save that as a collection, as you can see. And you can see that I can even add tags. I can use this later for my research purposes and access it way easily later on. And I'll only save this as a collection. But it doesn't end here really. You can keep on highlighting content on the web in different colors. But what's really interesting is I can even create a link of a specific portion of the text. And if you check uh, the link later on, you'll see that I actually come across more content about that particular section. So that's how you can actually keep using um, the curated extension to create links to specific places to text and use it later for some other purposes. I also feel this portion is really important, so I'm going to create the link out here and even check for it later on. See, that's how you can find different places on the web through creating links through Curated, right? Now, moving forward, if you come across any specific content piece that you feel is really important and you want to create screenshots out of that, then you can even do that using the curated extension. So all you need to do is open the extension and then use the screenshot feature from curated. So I'm going to click out here and you can see that I can actually capture the full screen out here. Now you'll be notified when you do that, and it's going to click that particular section on the web, and there you go. So, right now, the platform is actually saving your screenshot, and it will even show you how it looks like. So, this is where you get to see how the screenshot will look like, and what's more is that you can even edit it later for other purposes and also save and even download it later on. So there you have it. Your entire web content page is actually now a screenshot available to you. You can save this as a piece of screenshot on the platform, or you can even download that. So it will automatically get selected on your curated account. Next, I can even uh, do a screenshot of a selected area, and in this case, if I want to do the plant and animal life on Nebraska out here, I can do that as well. And curate it, it's going to capture that selected portion and save it for you as you can see it. What's more, you can even choose to do various other effects on your screenshots if you want to. In this case, I don't want to, but I want to download it and it will get downloaded on my system. So these are some ways in which you can actually clip content from the web that easily. Now, moving forward, I've shown you how you can highlight it, create screenshots of selected areas or even the entire page as well. But let me show you how you can create a collection. Now, this entire page itself is actually quite an important one, because I can use it later for my research project later on. So all I need to do is just add it as a bookmark, and automatically it's going to save it in one of my previous collections. However, I'm going to create a new one because this is regarding my research project on the US. And there you have it. I can even add some tags. So, research project 2024, which will help me to find this later on. And I can even add a comment. So, for example, use this for thesis. So this is going to help me to kind of ensure that I know what are some key things I need to look for when I'm reading through this content, and it's definitely going to help me with my thesis. I'm going to mark this as a favorite so I can retrieve it later way easier and then save it as a collection. Now, this is going to get added as a collection into my curated account, which I'm going to show you right away. So here you can see that the collection that I created out of my researched web content has been added into one of my collections called the Research Project on the US, and it has been created as a gem on my curated account. So there you have it. All the content that you come across on the internet can be turned into bookmarks, collections. You can highlight them, clip them, annotate them, and save it for later use and streamline all the digital chaos that you may be coming across each and every minute of the day. All right, then, we hope this tutorial has been helpful to you, and if you liked watching this, do continue to using CurateIt to streamline all your content on the web, and don't forget to follow us on our social media pages to know more about how you can amp up your productivity using CurateIt. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Bye.